Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kasnat Mass Media Communication Department jong St. Anthony's College, Shillong, henne kasni kesantarik uyayong, kalapulong yakajing peninam yakidor baper hapo conference hall jong kani hika college. Hakaba, kanong hikai barim jong kani ka college ikong M. Ampurin Lingdo, ilalong kongsan. Kadba way na kinong sedang yakani kasnat, hapo St. Anthony's College, Father John D. Jayakumar, ulalong kumusembut kongsan. Ya kani kajing peninam yakidor, kabankot hadu kanyo terik mentahi ubnai, laai kerteng, Expression of Life. Ya kebala penbet penbiang da kekenhuan Kongkong Lige Loya Foundation, kebala kersan pisaro hagaba penlong yakini kelempung, bat layarap lang ban pentulon yakikam kejam dagi samla pulia jong Mass Media Communication jong kani college.
I hope that you, the batch of 2018, will lead, adding on laurels to this department, making us more famous, making it grow in fame and name. And most importantly, I hope that you leave the doors, the gates of St. Anthony's, having understood within the courses that you have learned that you are a media personality and you can make a difference if you choose to be that element of change. I wish you all the very best, and I wish that this exhibition of the first professional work of our dear friends from the 6th semester, the very best. May you take thousands and thousands more shots, and may these shots make you more and more an instrument of peace, instrument of God's hands, and an instrument of voice for the voiceless.